Every day, the same story plays out: founders burning out, investors stuck chasing safe bets, systems that should empower but end up suffocating brilliant ideas under mountains of red tape and bland metrics. The truth is brutal. Conventional capital flows are broken. They funnel money into the familiar, the comfortable, the mediocre. They reward sameness and punish radical change. And all of you, the game changers, the restless souls who refuse to settle, you feel this chokehold tightening every single day. It's maddening. You see opportunities to solve real problems, to build businesses that matter, but the capital system won't move. It's stuck in an old story, one that serves few and ignores the rest, as if the future is something anyone can predict or control. But what if the rules of capital could be flipped on their head? What if impact investing wasn't some side hustle for do-gooders, but the rocket fuel that blasts conventional flows into the dust? The real deal, the one that breaks the closed loops, the investor-founder cages, the endless cycle of safe bets. You want concrete moves? Here's what to do. Lock this in. First, stop begging for attention with your impact story. Instead, build unshakable frameworks that prove value numerically, not only through feel-good metrics, but through breakthrough signals that shock investors awake. Impact investing will disrupt only when it becomes undeniably profitable in new, overlooked ways. Focus fiercely on sectors conventional capital neglects, because those invisible markets hold the keys to massive, unearthed value. Then, leverage the power of networks, not the usual ones filled with echo chambers and gatekeepers, but raw, autonomous, diverse networks where founders, investors, and innovators cross-pollinate truth like wildfire. Create or join these circles and demand transparency, shared risks, and true alignment. This isn't charity. It's a strategic arms race. If the capital system stays tribal and closed, it dies. If you open collaboration, you unlock new flows and scale impact faster than any solitary hero chase. Another fire starter. Rewrite the narrative around risk and return. Conventional capital fears impact like a poison pill, seeing it as messy or slow. Prove them wrong by layering capital in tranches, mixing traditional VC mentality with patient, outcome-driven funds. Blend agility with longevity. Teach your teams to think like hunters and gardeners at once. Hunt for the next big win, but nurture the soil where impact sustains forever. When done right, this duality crushes the false dichotomy between profit and purpose. Understand this. The power isn't just in money. It's in who controls the story of money. Take control. Disrupt due diligence processes. Revolutionize evaluation by going beyond the spreadsheet. Inject real-world systemic decoders into your assessments. Demand capital flows flow to who dare to break molds, not those who only replicate past success. Fear the comfortable investor more than the bold founder. Push every gatekeeper to prove they add more value than they extract. This psychological warfare shifts power faster than any pitch deck. And lastly, internalize a brutal fact. This fight is personal. It's the anger against a system that told you to play safe when your gut screamed to leap. It's the exhaustion of grinding through obstacles built by people who don't understand your vision. Use that raw energy as a weapon. Rally others who feel the same. Build autonomous coalitions that don't wait for permission, but create new rules. This is not charity. This is not softness. This is war against stagnation. Impact investing can, and will, shatter the old order. But only if you are relentless, smart, and unafraid to burn bridges behind you. Never accept that money must stay neutral. It can be the most powerful agent of change if wielded by those who see beyond this broken world. So take your rage, your frustration, your biting hunger for freedom, and turn it into the capital that doesn't just move money but shakes the very ground beneath what we call business as usual. This is the moment. Be the storm that sweeps the system away.